Hello student, let us start the topic lysosome. Lysosomes are found only in the animal cell, means they are absent in the plant cell. And these are spherical and sac-like vesicle bounded by a single membrane. मतलब lysosome have a single membrane. These contain several digestive enzymes, and digestive enzymes helps in the digestion of the various cytoplasmic structure. If these enzymes are released in the cell, it involves cell digestion. Hence, lysosome refer as a suicidal bag because they digest itself, and because they have several digestive enzymes, and the digestive enzymes synthesized in the rough endoplasmic reticulum and concentrate in the Golgi body apparatus and then packed in the lysosome. So this is about the lysosome. Now come to the topic function of the lysosome. Function of lysosome. First function, lysosome protect the body from bacteria and the virus by digesting them because they have a digestive enzyme. So they digest the bacteria and the virus. Second is they destroy old worn out organelles. It involves the self-digestion of the cell by the lysosomal enzymes. When after the cell death, lysosomal enzymes are released, so the lysosome are also called the suicidal bag or the atom bomb, and this process is also called the autolysis. And third is they digest the stored food, even own organelles during the starvation. Own organelles means like the fragment of the endoplasmic reticulum or the mitochondria. So they digest, and this process is called the autophagy. And next function is when the cell is destined to die, ribosomal enzyme digests the whole cell, and this is also called the autolysis. And lysosome also help in the intracellular digestion. So this is about the lysosomes and their function. Then come to the topic ribosome. It is also called the protein factory of the cell because they synthesize the protein, so they are called the protein factory of the cell. Ribosomes are the smallest and the spherical organelles, and they are not bounded by the membrane, so they are the negged cell organelles, and they occur either in the cytoplasm or attached to the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum and forming the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes are found in the both prokaryotic as well as the eukaryotes, and the exception are mature sperm and the RBCs. In the prokaryotic, they are present in the free form in the cytoplasm, while in the eukaryotic, they are found in two forms in the cytoplasm. First is the either free form or the bounded form. Bounded form means they attach to the endoplasmic reticulum and they form the rough endoplasmic reticulum. On the basis of the segmentation coefficient, ribosomes are the tube type 70S ribosome and the S80S ribosomes. Now come to the topic, the types of the ribosome. Ribosomes are two types, 70S ribosomes and the 80S ribosome. 70S ribosomes are found in the prokaryotic cell and the mitochondria and plastid also. So they are called the autonomous cell organelles. Mitochondria and plastid are called the autonomous cell organelles because 70S ribosomes are present in the mitochondria and the plastid both. And 70S ribosomes again divided into the 50S and the 30S units. Then 80S ribosomes. 80S ribosomes are found in all the eukaryotic cells and they divided into two subunits, 60S and the 40S. Now come to the function of the ribosome. These are the site of the protein synthesis, hence called the protein factory of the cell. So only one function, they synthesize the protein. So this is about the ribosomes. Now come to the next topic, vacuole. Vacuole, it is a non-living cell organelles and mostly they are present in the plant cell but absent in the animal cell. If present in the animal cell, their size is very small and it is a fluid-filled membrane bounded. The vacuole is called tonoplast and this membrane bounded vacuole is called, outer layer is called tonoplast. And the liquid they contain is called cell sap and this is the cell sap and this is the structure of the vacuole. This is the structure of the vacuole. Vacuoles are modified differently and to perform the different function like the food vacuole, contractile vacuole, gas or the air vacuoles, and these are the non-living cell organelles. Now come to the function of the vacuoles. First function is they provide the turgidity and the rigidity of the cell. The rigidity and the turgidity they provide, they keep the cell turgid and provide the rigidity and the support to the cell. Then second function is the store. They store the food material and the waste product. Now the third point is the osmoregulation and removal of the excretory waste. Contractile vacuoles help in the maintaining the water and contractile vacuole is the form of the vacuoles. Now the next function is the digestion. Food vacuoles in the protozoa help in the digestion of the food. So this is about the vacuoles. So that's all with today's lecture. Thank you.